All right, YouTube, look. So, took 2 minutes for everybody to pull up. We got a lot of options over here, bro. Hold on, matter of fact, let me show y'all a better view of this. Let me show y'all a better view. So we got the Lotus over here, right? Got the Lotus. We got Porsche. Another Porsche. Oh, let me log in. Another Porsche. We got a, is that a Porsche? It's another Porsche. It's another Porsche. It's another Porsche. My man with the E63, Mustang, he just got that joint yesterday. Congrats, Black Excellence, you know what I mean? We got a McLaren over here in the back. We got G80 right here. Oh, G8, my fault. G82. What else we got? What else we got? Huh? Who is?
Mustang.
Got one more car on the way. Yeah. He probably do need gas. It's a lot of money in this lineup, man.
I'm gonna get in front because he's faster than me.
Car's tough. Truckers aren't happy over here. He definitely wants to get past these cars. We should just hog up 2 lanes instead of 1. Don't worry, he'll be free soon. Sheesh. Yo. Damn. Lotus to your back. Well, that's.
He's waiting for his tires to warm. You know he's getting ready.
He getting ready, yeah.
He's waiting for his tires to warm up.
Sheesh. Everybody just randomly just hit foot. Damn, that's the same guy we just saw on the side of the road.
Yeah,
Well, he's kind of close.
The base one too.
That's the base?
Yeah, just on your 911 career. Look, they're trying coming in.
Uh-oh. Jeez. I'm gonna miss this shit, man. I missed this. There's mad shit going on. Mad stuff going on. Oh. Sheesh.
Alex pulling away from me.
Yo, that car sounds crazy, bruh. Trying to keep my hands still. Too much torque going on. Ooh.
They're trying to cut it up. I can see it.
Ooh. 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 Oh, he's not going. Yeah, that's not a gap we can take.
They say I can't drive.
Couldn't even use the gimbal. That's how much torque was in the car, man. That's crazy, man. That was a crazy drive. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to post, but shit, that was great. That was a great drive. I miss my car, man. Miss my car. I gotta get back with Josiah and Foray, bro. I gotta get back with my guys. This is crazy. A lot of Porsches out here, man. They trying to convert me. I'm not gonna fold though. Not gonna fold. Ferrari right here. Ooh. GT3.
Bro, this car, like, because it doesn't have all that.
Yeah, man. I think my next car might be a Porsche. I think I want a 911. About to get some grub, man. The drive was cool. I need to eat. Good little turnout. A lot going on. A lot of cars, a lot of good people. I'm actually tired. I got the itis right now. A pretty good turnout.
Well, again,
Pretty good turnout.
I'm gonna make a service call.
Got a Performante over here. 718 Spider. Code spec, code spec. Got the lines in it. You know, we love people who take care of their cars.
And it could just, and I trashed the shit out of it. Yeah. And the motor, you couldn't kill it. I tried.
Beefy cup twos, real beefy. Pause. Quad tip. Hold on, let me see if we can zoom in. Can't zoom in. Let me see if we get closer. Quad tip M3, trapezoid style.
We would.
Tap. We got a matte wrap R8 over here. This vet look crazy too. Jeez, this wrap looks crazy in person. We like them plates. It's tough. I don't know if this is real. This can't be real carbon fiber. This gotta be like a wrap. This is crazy. This looks good. I like when people are creative, man. This is the inverse of the other vet. Inverse color. It's kind of tough. Oh my goodness.
Hey man, you got bird shit on stuff. Fuck that. I got bird shit on mine. I'm like, I just got the bitch white.
It's like a pearl white, but silver at the same time. Like, this is a crazy color. The way it reflects. Aventador S. I can't wait to hear this when he starts this car up. Damn! He got the ceramics? Yes, he does. His shit gotta be lower. This joint looks lower than the rest of it. Is this a Novatec exhaust? Nope. Thought it was.
When you have a group of people that are enthusiasts, and this is beyond enthusiasm, it's not about, if you're here, you don't just own a Porsche or an Audi or whatever it is for the fact of status. If you're here, it's not only owning the car, it's what can I get out of it? What else is on the table? Where can I go with it? That's a different breed. That's a different generation of stuff. Anybody can have money and go buy something and drive it around. Now, when you take it to that level, huh?
I need to whip that motherfucker up.
Oh, I'll be that. Here's the beautiful part about all this. All the manufacturers leave a lot on the table. So we're not pushing it. This is simple math, air efficiency, what you can do. The manufacturers have taken, obviously for all the reasons, emissions, this, that, and the other, they dumb everything down.
Definitely an eventful day, but I enjoyed, man. We enjoyed. So hopefully we can catch these cars pulling off real quick. Hold on. Yeah, the guy you guys saw at the end was Frank Smith Tuning, or Frank Smith, sorry, from Frank Smith Tuning, and he's great. Like, hopefully I could get some content in the future in a shop or so. That was one of the biggest issues I had in tuning RS5, or not tuning RS5, but working on RS5 was getting content, and so I'll get my guy to come out, and hopefully we can have like a nice little, I guess spot where we could get like mods done or things done to the car. Stuff like that. But yeah, that's hopefully what happens in the future. I won't be giving up on content for you guys. I definitely will see what I could do for this year while I'm not driving. Hopefully by the end of the year I get the next car that I'm looking for. Still in the market, still shopping, still seeing what I want. I think what was really cool was the fact that like I got so many people behind me, rooting for me to get a next car, whether it be a Porsche, whether it be a Lambo, whatever the case. I mean, like I said, man, today was pretty eventful. The drive was real nice. I got to sit in the E63 today, and then I also sat in the GZ3 RS today. So that was nice. Yeah, I mean, I can't lie. That's a great car. It's a great handling car. It's like, don't be fooled. Yes, it's rear-wheel drive, but it could drive. So, or the person in the car drives, but it'll stay planted unless you do some dumb stuff. That's pretty much it, man. I appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. Let me know if you guys like this type of video, kind of like not a vlog, but kind of like a vlog. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one, however long that may be. And I'm sorry for RS5 guys, but, I think you guys might like the options I pick out next when it comes to my next car. So stay tuned. Peace.